Today we'll discuss about that changing the row height and column width. Okay, this is the chapter. Okay, 4. Here we are going to discuss about that how we can change the row and column width and row height. Okay, we have already discussed about this chapter. Okay, theoretically in Excel we can adjust the row height and the column width of the worksheet as per requirement. Okay, means whatever you want to set the height as you require. Okay, we are going to see about that how. See, open, click on the start button, and from here we are working in the 2016. Then we have to choose the MS Excel 2016. See here, this is the MS Excel 2016. We have already clicked about it. Okay, now when we click on it, the MS Excel will open. Okay, now see here, the MS Excel is opening. Okay, and this is the most important. I have already told about that. There are two ways to change the height and width of the column and cell. Now let them Excel to open. I'll show you how to change the two-way height of the column, okay, and width of the row. Okay, now see here. See here, the desktop, the MS Excel is opening. Okay, this is the new style of opening the MS Excel. I think. Now see, MS Excel is open. Now click on the new blank workbook. When we click on the blank workbook, the Excel will open. Okay, now see, here we are going to set the height and width of the column and row. Now for example that if you have written here the name NAME, name, okay, now see, in the name column, if you written the Sanju dot com 147. See, this Sanju.com is come out from the C. Okay, column C to D. Now here I am going to adjust by the help of menu. Okay, okay, just select it. Okay, and see here, this is the home tab where we can click on the format. See here, the format. I am going to show you format here. Okay, this is the format. Okay, and where we can see, and now we are going to click on that format. Okay, this here, when we click on it, the drop down list will open. Okay, see here, and from here if you want to row height, click on height and apply. By default is 215 and now write 30. Okay, 30, and just press on OK button. See, the height have increases. If you want to increase the width, okay, again we have to click on this format. Okay, column width. Okay, now it is just we have write just okay 12. Okay, now see, this width has been also increased over here. Okay, this is the way how we can set the height and width. Now we are going to set the height and width according to mouse. Means we can change the width and height by the help of the mouse also. See, another examples I am going to show you. Okay, if you return the here R.A. Mohan, Ram Mohan Prasad, Prasad. Okay. Okay, first of all I am going to show you how to set the width, okay, by the help of mouse. Just click over here, okay, and when we put the cell pointer on in here, in E here, the cell point change into double here, and press the left button and drag it to the right, okay, okay, right. See here, this E column is increased over here, okay. If you want to increase the height, just see here in the 3 and just put the side here and pull down, okay. Now see, the height of also this will be heavy increases, okay. This is the way how we can change the height and width of the column and cell. Now, okay, this is the way how we can change, same as the example I have shown. And today I am going to show you copy and move the data, okay. Now see here, if you want to copy this data, just right click over here and copy, and if you want to paste over here, just right click and paste over here, okay. Okay, again we can adjust this height and width, okay. This is the way how you can paste, okay. For example, that's okay. Now I am going to show you the one thing that's okay. Suppose that I want to change this, copy is dragging the data. When we drag it, okay. Now see here. Now wait, okay. Wait for just a minute. Now see here. First of all, we have to, okay, select the data. Means that to move, okay. Have to select the data. After selecting, place the this cursor into here, okay. This look here. This change into the this, okay, for header, and place the mouse button and drag it, okay. Where you want to drag, there we can drag, okay. See, the data has been moved from this place to the that place. This is the way moving the data in the by two method. One method is copying the data, second method is moving and dragging out, okay. This is the way how we can change the data place, okay. Next we will continue the next topic, okay. Thank you, student.